I promised the demo of the Riki towel, and look at this bad boy. It is so beautiful. Okay, so what it comes with is it comes with a mirror. Yep, okay. So it comes with a magnifying mirror that you can put on to do like your eyes or your brows, whatever. It is a 3 times magnifying mirror. And let me show you this. You just point it at this. Woo! Look at that. So that's 1 time. And then, whoops, I turned it off. All right, so that's the lowest setting. That's the second. Third. Fourth. I think this is the highest. Fifth. Yep, this is the highest setting. Comes with this like awesome remote. And then you can turn it on and turn it off. It always goes back default, I think, to the lowest setting. Yep. So that's pretty cool. And then also, you can, there's different magnetic spots on here. I have to find it. There. Oh, see? And you can put your phone on it. And you can do lives right on the Riki towel, which I think is awesome. Look at that. It's so cool. I'm so excited. But I did want to show you, this is, behind it is my impressions mirror that I had. And don't get me wrong, the impressions mirror is great, but it had a couple faults to it that I didn't really like. But let me tell you what I did like. I loved that it had a plug, so I could plug right into it on the side. It had 2 outlets, plus it had over here somewhere, maybe it's in the back, it also had a US, like you could plug your phone into it, but I can't find it right now. But the problem that I had with it is it was so bright. See, sometimes it doesn't even want to turn on. Like, I was having electrical issues with it. There you go. So this is the lowest setting with this, but it gets so bright, oh my gosh, that it was actually, it would wash me out. I couldn't use it on full power, and it hummed kind of like what you would have with a those overhead lights. I cannot think of what they're called right now, but it would be super, like, it would hum, and that would drive me crazy. I didn't notice it till somebody pointed it out. Once somebody pointed it out, that's all I could hear. So I'm not a fan of that for that reason. So another thing I like is right here is your plug. And then on the other side, let me come over here. On the other side, you can plug your phone into it. So while you're doing a live or whatever, you can charge your phone. So I think that's, oh, almost dropped. That's very, very, very cool. Height-wise, it is about the same size, believe it or not. I know it looks way taller than my impressions mirror, but that's because it's got this huge base down here compared to the impressions mirror base. But it's actually about 1 inch shorter, but because it does not have these large bulbs that kind of like take up a lot of space on the mirror, with the Riki towel, you actually get more usable space. And I'm still in the process of organizing my makeup room. So you get a lot more usable space. You can, the bulbs are in their LED and they're inside. So cleaning this is not going to be a problem at all. Like, it's just like wiping down. Where these are, they're very delicate, and they're so hard to clean. Like, cleaning this mirror is not easy to do. Plus, these are very, 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 very expensive. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 12 of them. So if these bulbs are even, say, $20 a piece, you know, do the math. When they burn out, that's $120 that you're paying out. And that's only if they're $10. If they're $20, you can go up. But anyways, that's kind of expensive. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to return my Impressions mirror, which I absolutely really liked the Impressions mirror. But I didn't like the heat it gives off, how bright it is. Like, it actually is too bright. I mean, you can tell, look at that. Too bright. And then the humming, it is just, I know you can't hear it, but I can hear it now. And again, somebody had to point that humming out to me, and then that's all I could hear. So again, this one, the bulbs are in it, and I just really like this one better. So I will be returning my Impressions Hollywood one back to, I got it at Costco, so I'll be returning this back to Costco, and I'm keeping this one, which I really, really, really like. And I'm probably going to do a live in a little bit on it for the first time, just so you guys can see the lighting and see that. I think it's kind of cool. So this one I spent $200 on it, I think. With tax, it was probably like $220. And this one retails for $4.95. But I contacted the company directly and asked if they had any refurbished available, and they did. So I got this for $300 out the door, you know, no tax, no shipping, just $300 out the door. And by the time I returned this, you know, this one was not that much more. And this is professional lighting too, so that made a huge difference. Again, you get a mirror here. You can put your phone right up here, or there's different areas. Oh, and the remote, you can connect via Bluetooth and actually have your phone connected on it and take pictures. So I think that's really cool. Like, you can snap selfies while on there with the professional lighting. So it's just like my Riki Skinny. It's just like that, but taller. A lot taller. Here, let's do this. So it's a lot taller. You can see my camera there. So, okay, well, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys the tall. See what you, I know some of you were asking. And like I said, I'll probably do a live in a little bit just because I want to see what the lighting's going to look like with the phone mounted on it. So, thanks, guys. I'll catch you later. Bye.